We're here at the Best Western here in Merrillville, Indiana. We have a Series 1. That fan. Let's go to 3. The third floor. Let's go down to 1. Let's go back to 3. Here's a phone box. Really, barely have 88 pound in there. Series 1. It's a nice elevator. Floor looks pretty nice. Series 1. Nothing too exciting, but it is what it is. It's nice. But I want to show them something interesting about this elevator. Is that when you push it, it lights up green.
Oh.
See? This is a green button right here.
Oh yeah.
See? But yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.